And I'm back with the next project on the 2016 Tundra. I've been noticing that the tires, or wheels I should say, have been looking faded and not like they did in 2016, 8 years ago. These are black matte powder coated rims from Fuel. As you can see, they're oxidized and have a whitish haze to them. I probably haven't used the right wheel cleaners on them, and that's one of the reasons, but the Florida sun has just really beat them. So my plan is to put a clear coat on this. I'm not going to do the gloss clear coat. I'm going to do a 2K satin clear coat in the spray can that you mix. I think it's going to bring it back. When I spray it with water, they look new. So I'm thinking if I put a coat of clear coat on there, it may bring them back and also make them easier to clean. It's better than painting them since they're powder coated. I'm going to also repaint the Infab step-ups with Rust-Oleum truck bed liner, and then after that I'm going to coat them with the same 2K clear satin. So we'll see how that comes off. Hopefully the dirt and stuff just washes right off when I wash the truck. Alright, I've got the wheel off here. I got it up on the table, get ready to clean it with some Zepp purple degreaser. I'm just going to spray it. This probably isn't, this is probably why the rims look like they do, is from using this type of degreaser on them. I don't think it's good for powder coated rims, but I guess now I want them as clean as possible. So I'm just cleaning them up with this, and then going to use a brush and clean them up. Now here I've got them on the table ready to go. My idea was to cover them with the plastic so that way the clear coat didn't get on the wheels, but it was a joke. I must have had old tire dressing on there, whatever. I couldn't get the tape to stick, and then I saw online people using cards that you would wedge in, and so I bought a pack of cards, and those wouldn't stick in. It was an absolute joke trying to get that to work. When I did the other side of the truck, I didn't even use any plastic. I just sprayed it, and then the clear coat just came right off on the wheel. So here it is after spraying the 2 coats of 2K clear. Used about a can of clear, and it's the Spraymax 2K clear. You can get on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. And it came out pretty darn good. Here are the caps, and it made those look like new as well. Didn't put any kind of prep. I just cleaned them with some rubbing alcohol mixed with water. And here are the rims again. I hit it with the bottom of the can right there. So you really want to watch when you're spraying this, because you got to get close to it. You don't bang it with the can, because then it makes a permanent dent in there in the finish. But overall, it came out really well for a $20 can of Spraymax 2K. So here's the final result on the truck. This is after a couple days. I did have tire wet on the actual rubber on the tires, but nothing on the wheels. So this is what it looks like after a few days. Cleans up really nice. You can wash it. It washes right off. And like I said, I did do the Infab step-up bars too. So that has the Rust-Oleum truck bed liner sprayed on it, and then the 2K clear coat. And again, this isn't immediately after a wash. I just wanted to show it after a couple days, so it doesn't look perfect. But I have washed it since, and it does just come right off with that coat. So I'm hoping that it stays looking nice for a couple years now. I think they look a lot better and a lot closer to what they look like when they were new, all without repainting them. And then I didn't have to worry about covering up any of those milled out sections in the wheel that expose the aluminum there. So with the clear coat, just go right over it. And overall, I think it came out pretty nice.